Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Once again I am back new and latest idea and styling looks for girls and women. I hope you like it. Crochet a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Textured Toto experiment with textured stitches like popcorn, bubble, and cable stitches to create a visually appealing texture. And button, beads, or embroidery to a simple clutch to make it stand out. Remember, the choice of yarn and colors palette can influence the overall style of your handbags. Do not be afraid to mix and match different elements to create a unique and stylish crochet handbags that suit your personal taste. Here are some creative crochet handbags ideas to inspire your next project. Patchwork bag combine different crochet squares each with a unique pattern or color to create a patchwork style handbags. Rainbow crossbody use bright rainbow colors to create a trendy crossbody bag that adds a pop of color to any outfits. Create a bag that resembles a warm basket with intricate stitches, pattern and handles. Like different and beautiful looks, beautiful colors, styling, and designs. So I hope you like it, guys. Please keep sharing and watching my video. See this video till the end. Mention in the comment section for